totally a 9-member BJP leaders team is now moving from here, Hukum Singh's residence, towards Kairana village, and they will go there and find the actual facts, because they have alleged that at least 346 Hindu families have allegedly migrated from Kairana village, and a 9-member BJP team led by Suresh Khanna, who is also MLA from Uttar Pradesh, is now moving towards Kairana village, and they will find the actual facts which are happening there. And at this moment we are joined by Suresh Khanna, who is also a BJP MLA from Uttar Pradesh. आप यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, क्या कारण है, किधर जा रहे हैं, क्या कार्रवाई फैक्ट फाइंडिंग टीम आपकी करेगी?
हमारी जो जांच टीम आई है, जांच दल आया है, वो पीड़ित परिवारों से मिलेगा और यहाँ के जो हालात हैं, जिस हालात के कारण ये घटनाएं हुई हैं, जिस हालात के कारण लोगों का पलायन हुआ है, उन तमाम तथ्यों की जांच करेगा। जो लोग पीड़ित हैं उनसे मुलाकात करेगा, यहाँ का जो प्रशासनिक तंत्र है उससे बातचीत करेगा, और यहाँ जो एटमॉस्फेयर ये पैदा हुआ है, ये माहौल पैदा हुआ है, उसका अध्ययन करेगा और तमाम रिपोर्ट को विस्तृत अध्ययन करने के बाद सरकार को सौंपेगा।
आपने कहा कि आपकी जाँच की कमेटी जो है वो अध्ययन करेगी। आपको लगता नहीं कि इस मुद्दे को उठाने से पहले, जो मुद्दा इतना बड़ा हो चुका है, इसको उठाने से पहले कहीं ना कहीं इस कमेटी दल को जाना चाहिए था कैराना में और इसकी जांच करनी चाहिए थी, उससे पहले इसको इतना बड़ा बनाने की बजाय?
नहीं, हम लोगों ने पूरी जांच करके पूरा विषय समझ के हमने विधानसभा में लगातार इस विषय को हम 3 साल से उठा रहे हैं। ये विषय कोई आज का विषय नहीं है, लगातार 3 साल से हम लोग उठा रहे हैं। पलायन शब्द का जब इस्तेमाल होता है, पलायन शब्द उस समय होता है जब भय का आतंक चरम पर हो, भय का वातावरण चरम पर हो, लोगों के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं असुरक्षा का भाव हो। असुरक्षा का भाव हुआ रंगदारी के कारण, गुंडागर्दी के कारण, कहीं ना कहीं तमाम प्रकार का जो तांडव हुआ उसके कारण असुरक्षा का भाव हो। लगातार 3 साल से तो हम विषय को विधानसभा में उठा रहे हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री चाहते तो 3 साल का समय उन्हें मिला था, 3 साल पहले कहीं ना कहीं इस स्थिति को नियंत्रण कर सकते थे। और मैं तो अब भी मुख्यमंत्री जी से कह रहा हूँ, वो लगातार जो सूची आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री सांसद जी के द्वारा सौंपी गई है, उस सूची को लगातार झूठा साबित करने में लगे हुए हैं। मैं मुख्यमंत्री जी से कह रहा हूँ, आप कैराना आइए, आप कैराना आइए, हम लोग आपका स्वागत करेंगे। आप कैराना आइए, आप कांदला आइए।
So as you rightly heard, the BJP is demanding that Akhilesh Yadav should visit Kairana, and they are saying that a huge number of Hindu families have allegedly migrated not only from Kairana but from nearby villages all across Shamli and in Kairana. You know, there is a huge, big political atmosphere is there in Kairana since the time BJP MP Hukum Singh claimed that at least there has been a mass exodus and at least 346 Hindu families have allegedly migrated from Kairana, and they have migrated just because there is a deteriorating law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh. And not only this, he tried to give this a communal color. At this point, you can see this huge number of BJP leaders have gathered here, and from here they are moving towards Kairana village, and they will visit to the families who are allegedly victim in this very incident. And now the fact-finding team of BJP will assess what's happening there exactly at the Kairana. But here the big question is, have these BJP leaders gathered here to make Kairana another plot for 2017 Uttar Pradesh elections? Back to you.
So that is, of course, the big question, Piyush, whether it's just a poll plank or whether there is a genuine problem of some Hindu families being forced to migrate from Kairana district. Now, if you can throw some more light on your own investigation, whether these families were forced to migrate because of economic reasons or was it because of communal tension in the state? And also try if you can speak to some more delegates of the BJP who are there at the spot to take stock of the situation.
Yes, indeed. You know, this issue became viral since the time BJP MP Hukum Singh claimed that there has been a mass exodus. He also claimed that Kairana is now becoming, is becoming mini Srinagar. And since then, after his startling revelations, Times Now did go to villages from where Hukum Singh is claiming that yes, there has been mass exodus. We did talk to some of the villagers who categorically said that they are being targeted and persecuted by a huge number of people, and they are claiming that the law and order situation is totally out of the hand. And even as they have been claiming about this to UP police and to UP administration, there has been no actions as far as their security is concerned. Villagers are demanding that they must be provided adequate security so that they are not forced to leave this village. And as of now, the situation is very much tensed in Kairana village of Uttar Pradesh.